So why do you need to add subtitles to your videos, and how do you do it? Now, if you are a YouTube content creator, then you know that sometimes YouTube automatically generates subtitles for your video, or these captions for your video, but that doesn't always happen. So why do you need subtitles in a video? Okay, if you run an English YouTube channel where the content is presented in English format, or in whichever language that you're doing, sometime you may find that your voice does not come out clearly, or maybe you have some pronunciation problem or an accent that people don't really get to hear or understand some of your words, and that will mean that at some point people may have a difficulty listening to your content or getting to understand you, and this could have a negative effect on your channel, on content that you're giving to your fans or your subscribers. So how do you add subtitles to these videos? So I think there are very many ways that you can add subtitles from videos. So the first thing is you want to try to download a video editor. You can use VSDC, you can use Windows Movie Maker, you can use Windows video editor, you can use Filmora, you can use Premiere, you can use there is quite a number of applications that you can use to add subtitles to your video. Now there are certain applications that have some limits. I mean, you can only create the subtitles as text appearing below your video, like this one that is popping up here now, and it may not sometime be that appealing, but if your audio is not clear, or if you just want to create a video that does not have any voiceover, and all you want to have is the content, all you want to have is the text appearing on the screen, then that's the best way to do. Just take a video editor and add these captions in the form of text, where you just draw a text box and put it there on your screen. The other way is you can do it online. There are websites that can help you create subtitles. There is this one called vid.io. I think I got that right. The vid.io, you upload your video, and then you can either type in subtitles manually, or you can have it automatically generate the captions from your video, depending on the recording. And if your video is plain, it does not have any captions, then it means you'll have to type it in manually. So always try as much as you can to add subtitles to your videos if the audio is not clear, or if you are creating a plain one without any voiceovers or anything of that sort. So we've said the first way: download applications such as VSDC video editor. You can download Windows Movie Maker, you can download Windows video editor, which normally comes pre-installed with Windows, that is if you use Windows, or you can try Premiere Pro, you can try Filmora. There are quite a number of video editors that will allow you to add captions or subtitles to your video. So it's up to you to choose which one you're going to use. But remember, it is important, if your voice does not come out clearly, or you have an accent, you can't get some words right, don't be ashamed of it. Don't feel like it's a bad thing. No, remember, if you're using English, for instance, and it's not your first language, it's a foreign language, you don't have to feel any kind of pressure to use it. So the best way to make sure that you keep people within your content, or get people to watch the whole of your content, is ensuring that the audio or the text is clear. And if the audio is not easily understood, or not really clear, what you do is use captions and use the methods that we have mentioned. So I'll create one video later showing you how to do it, either using VSDC or Movie Maker, or both. And I hope you will stick around to see that, maybe to help you get to create your videos clearly. So thank you for sticking around. I hope this turns out useful to you and helps you move your creation uh, journey to the next level. I hope it turns out to be a positive addition, and thank you for watching. If you love it, just one thing for me, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next.